the Painting Baby Hand channel. Hello kids, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're learning to draw and color a butterfly step by step. Let's start by drawing. Yellow color. If you don't have glitter glue, you can use regular glue and sprinkle glitter on top. Green color. Color. Purple color. I hope you will enjoy this video. Wait a new videos. See you next time. Don't forget, like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.